convert 0.25 into percentage. So every number like x is also equal to x over 1. So on this note, we can say 0.25 is also equal to 0.25 over 1. So if you multiply both sides by 4, the 4 is not just a random number. We know that when we multiply 0.25 by 4, we are going to get 1. So if you multiply, I say both sides, if you multiply both the numerator and denominator by 4 over 4, it's still as if you are multiplying it by 1, because 4 over 4 equals 1. So when you multiply it by 4, 0.25 times 4 will give you 1. Then 1 times 4 will give you 4. So you now want to like convert this into percentage. Actually, I don't think I need to go through all this step. So you can actually just say 0.25 times 100%. So when we do this, you know that when you multiply a decimal by 100, it's same as moving the dot in that decimal towards this right angle in the number of zeros that you have here. So when you want to multiply 100, you move it twice. So 0.25, when you move it, it becomes 2.5. You move it, it becomes 25. So 25%. That is the final answer. A bottle contains 500 ml of juice. 30% of the juice is consumed. How much juice is left? So when you look at this question, you come to realize that this 500 ml is the original, like the volume of the entire juice. So because that's the volume of the entire juice, that is our 100%. 100% equals 500 ml. So this 30%, what will now be the value of that 30%? So 30% equals, so you have to look for 30% of 500 ml. So let's do that here. You say 30 over 100 times 500 ml. So 100 here 1, 100 here 5. 5 times 30, that is going to give you 150. So 150 ml. Then the juice left is what? 100%. That's the total juice minus the juice that has been drunk. So that's 30%, which is equal to 70%. So we need to look for the 70%. So in this case, there are two ways to go about it. We can actually just say 70% of 500 ml the same way we do here, or we can actually just say whatever we have here, that's 100% minus this 100% minus 30%, and we are still going to get the same answer. So I'm going to do that. You can try the second method. So this method is just say 500 minus 150, that is 350 ml. So that is our answer.